Greetings and salutations to you. How are you doing? Good morning and welcome. It's wine review time. It's been a while since I've done a wine review out here in the caravan. It's a beautiful day today. I'm looking over the redhead, the wonderful view. You can't fault it. Anyway, wine time. Yes. Today's wine is one I did a review of many years ago without the beard, and it's my carrot wine review. To be honest, this is my last bottle of this carrot wine it is. I only made 1 gallon, probably autumn last year. It's been fermenting, it's been maturing, it's been sat there. I've been saving it for those occasions when I thought carrot wine would go down well. However, this wine is not the best. I've been mostly using it as a cooking wine, although some guests really like it and they'd finish off a bottle in an hour or so. But hey, carrot wine. Normally I like it, but I made a mistake with this recipe. I added far too much sugar, but the natural sugar in the carrots made it too sweet and too syrupy for my liking. But it does make a fantastic cooking wine. Oh yes, to add to your stews, your casseroles, your slow cooked meals, your gravies, your stews, your casseroles, your slow cooked meals, your gravies, your sauces. It is great to cook with. Not so much as a by the glass wine. That's what I think anyway. So shall we give it a pour? Come on. Awesome. Right then, will you join me? First thing I have to say is the colour is carroty golden. Delicious colour, fantastic, and I wouldn't expect anything else from a carrot wine. You would want your carrot wine to be deep golden, bright, shiny, straw, hay, fresh orchard orange you would. And that's what this one is. It turned out well, colour wise. It's a tiny bit cloudy, but then that's fine. I wasn't expecting a brilliant shiny wine. Anyway, it does have really good letters on it, which just shows the sweetness level. The sweetness level is way up there, way too high. I did use a high alcohol yeast. Didn't really eat through all that sugar as I wanted it to. If it had gone right the way up to 20–22%, this wine would have been a lot better. So I really did overdo the sugar and didn't take into account the sugar in the carrots. Anyway, on with it. First thing that hits you is that carroty bite, that crunch, that carroty crispness, followed by a twang of tango sweetness that it hits you on the back of the tongue and the roof of the mouth. It's not unpleasant. It would make a nice dessert wine. It would be great to add to your Christmas puddings or carrot cakes, or as I said, your savoury stews, soups, casseroles, or your chutneys even. Add this to rhubarb chutney, it'd be fantastic. But it does need something on your plate to cut through that sweetness. It's not a great table wine. It won't complement many meals, but it would go really well in so many dishes. Not on your tongue, but on your plate. That's where I rate this wine being. Anyway, I like it. But other people like it. But after a few sips of it, you get to that point where you really need something savoury to bite through the sweetness. This would go really well with something like duck, a nice fatty bird, or maybe a nice liver pate, or some fruit pudding. Absolutely fruit pudding. Oh, delicious that is. Anyway, carrot wine, I would use a bit less sugar. That's my only criticism of it. The aroma is there, the bite, the taste, the legs. Every aspect is right, apart from that sweetness. So if you did make this recipe, and the link is up above, cut back on the sugar slightly. Take good hydrometer readings, calculate the sugar in the carrots, and then alter the sugar to the wine. Don't rush in and just pour the sugar in, as I tend to do, because it could create a wine that you are slightly disappointed in. This wine has all the elements. It works. It would work. It works really well if you know how to use it in those dishes, or with those foods, those puddings, or those really fatty, dirty bird dishes. As a drinking wine, one glass would probably send you into a diabetic coma. So that is the carrot wine. Let me know if you have tried it, what do you think of it, and if you found the sweetness levels too high or spot on for your tastes. I'll see you all soon. Have fun now.